Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to the SHIB update today. And SHIB has done something really good, and I might say that we finally can actually climb up to this technical target up here. Okay, and if things go amazing and as expected, then we do have this very long consolidation, and if you break above here, you're looking for even a bigger push to the upside. Can it happen? I can expect that to happen, and I'm on the side of that to happen as well, because SHIB is the only coin right now out of those famous coins on Binance that hasn't done anything. Okay, and if it does do that, it shouldn't come as a surprise to me. And let's go into the volume here, and you can see that this volume spike was incredible. Okay, some few days ago, if I zoom in there, you can see that there was a very nice buying pressure from one of the whales out there. So you did actually buy, you came up to the resistance but didn't break at that time, and then you came down, and now you finally have break above the resistance. I'm going to go into the 4-hour time frame at the moment, and let's check the 4-hour time frame. So I do see that if you're looking for a retracement down here and backtest this place, that would be amazing. You got the resistance and resistance here, you broke above, you made a bullish closing as well. So if you're just coming down and retesting the line, probably that's okay, that's fine. And once we do retest and you see a successful move, then you're looking for a push to the upside, and you potentially have a technical target up there. So you're talking about a move up of nearly 39 to 40% to the upside for SHIB as well. And that's just a very quick update for this one. I'm going to see you with the next one. Hello, Hafiz.